Hey guys, so in today's video I want to talk about two plugins from FabFilter, Timeless 2, this is the FabFilter delay, and Pro R, which is a reverb. So I want to try the plugins and see how they sound on a vocal track. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, hit that notification button, drop a like. Let's get into the video. I'm gonna play you the track. The track is called Regular, artist Modest.
Regular, we do this shit on a regular, be small like Predator, regular, we do this shit on a regular, be small like Predator, regular.
Let's start with the delay. This is Timeless 2. Let me show you the interface. On the left side we have the input, then we have a feedback section with feedback for left channel and right channel, cross feedback. Then we have the delay time, you can sync it. Both of these sections can be linked like this, so you have just one control. Then we have two filters that we can use in serial, parallel, or per channel. So we have filters for the left and the right delay. Then we have the output section where you can blend the original signal with the process signal. When I use delays, I usually have them on sends, so you can just disable the dry level. You will have just the wet signal. We have a modulation matrix, some modulation sources. I'm gonna show you how you can use this. For now, let's close it. Let's see how Timeless 2 sounds on a vocal. I've sent the vocal to Timeless 2.
Regular, we do.
Let's sync it.
Do this shit on a regular, be small like Predator, regular, we do this shit on a regular.
You can create a stereo delay by just offsetting one of the delays to the left or to the right, it doesn't matter, and you'll have a really wide delay.
Regular, be small like Predator, regular, we do this shit on a regular, be small like Predator, regular.
Let's use the filters. We have a bunch of filter types. Then we have low pass, high pass, and band pass with different slopes. The same thing goes for filter 2. Let's use the band pass.
Regular, we do this shit on a regular, be small like Predator.
Let's high pass it to remove the bass. We have a peak, which is the resonance.
Regular.
We can obtain like telephone-ish type delays.
We do this shit on a regular, be small like Predator, regular, we do this shit on a regular.
For more control, I like using the filters in serial, but for special effects, sometimes I use them in parallel or per channel. This is a pretty basic delay.
Regular, we do this shit on a regular, be small like.
We can add some modulation now. Let's add an LFO and let's assign that LFO to the frequency.
Predator. Regular.
Let's time sync it.
Regular. We do this shit on a regular, be small like Predator, regular, we do this shit on a.
You can create some really nice dynamic delays with Timeless. You also have a huge amount of presets. Let's try a few of them.
Regular, be small like Predator, regular, regular. We do this shit on a regular. Beast mode like predator. Regular. We do this shit on a regular. Beast mode like predator. Regular. Regular. We do this shit.
You can also achieve chorus effects by modulating the delay times.
On a regular. Beast mode like predator. Regular. We do this shit on a regular. Beast mode like predator. Regular.
Now let's move to the FabFilter Pro R. This is the reverb. If you're familiar with FabFilter, then you're right at home with the interface. Let me go through it really quick. We have brightness. We can control how dark or how bright the reverb is. A character. This is modulation. Then we have the blend between early reflection and the late reflections. We have the space. This is the time of the reverb, a decay rate, a multiplier for the space, stereo width. We can make the reverb really wide, then a mix. A nice feature is that we have a pre-delay that we can sync, so our reverb is synced with the tempo of our track. An analyzer. Now let's try and make a reverb for this vocal from scratch.
Regular. We do this shit on a regular. Beast mode like predator. Regular. We do this shit on a regular. Beast mode like predator. Regular.
I'm just playing and stopping the track so I can hear the tail of the reverb. That's how I create most of my reverbs.
Regular. We do this shit on a regular. Beast mode like predator. Regular.
Then we have a decay rate EQ, which is pretty interesting. You can shorten some frequencies in the reverb, like the top end. We have a shelf. Let's make it a high shelf, so we can have like a longer reverb without having that sizzling from it.
Regular. We do this shit on a regular. Beast mode like predator. Regular.
Then we have an EQ.
Regular. We do this shit on a regular. Beast mode like predator. Regular. We do this shit on a regular. Beast mode like predator. Regular. We do this shit on a regular. Beast mode like predator. Regular.
What?
Regular. We do this shit on a regular. Beast mode like predator.
So I really think that this combination, Timeless 2 and Pro R, can add a nice ambience and a nice stereo depth to a vocal sound. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the notification button, drop a like, leave a comment with suggestions, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. See you guys next time. Cheers.